We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Anyski, 3-channel, 5 GHz Wi-Fi dashcam with 64 GB card. That's include dashcam front and rear inside 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p equipped with industrial leading Sony IMX sensor and processor, delivering smooth and detailed video, 2.5K front, 1080p inside. 1080p rear, to protect you from potential incidents and road disputes. The Super Night Vision and Auto IR cabin camera can help obtain videos in good clarity even at dark light. Cutting-edge 5 GHz Wi-Fi and cell phone app control. Built-in cutting-edge 5 GHz Wi-Fi and free app, the video download speed can reach 8 megabit per second. At the same time, other 2.4G can do only 2 megabit per second. This benefits you a lot while downloading/reviewing videos from a dashcam. Less time is required to download and less lag while reviewing. With simple taps, you can easily share your trip with your family, friends, and social media. Low profile design and voice notification. Thanks to the low profile and hidden design of the M5 dash camera for cars, you can still get good driving vision, and it will not cause big changes to your vehicle's interior. The unique voice notification also lets you easily grasp the working status of the M5 dash camera for cars, won't disturb you while driving. For the privacy needs, you can also disable the inside camera from the app. Loop recording and gravity shock sensing. Loop recording. Less memory maintenance is required from you. When the memory card is about to be full, the loop option will auto-overwrite the oldest video. Gravity sensor. Extra witness when the incident happens. Built-in 3-axis gravity sensor will auto-lock the videos and make them unable to delete when it detects a serious collision occurs. Extra insurance for incident/event. 24-hour parking mode. Property safety protection. When the M5 is connected to the dedicated hardwire kit, it can continue recording at low FPS mode even when you shut down your cars and get away. This function can protect your property inside your car and save evidence for malicious car damage events even when you are not nearby. Extra Type-C hardwire kit is required, not included in the package. 64 GB card included / extra port in car charger. Allows you to plug and play as a free 64 GB card is included. You don't need to purchase an extra card for M5 separately. The lighter port charger of M5 contains a USB port, which can allow you to charge your cell phone or other electric device on the way, and this will not take away the charging source in your car while the camera is recording. Easy installation and lifetime support. Both 3 cameras can be flexibly rotated according to your preference. This makes M5 widely compatible with different types of saloons, SUVs, truck, and minivans. And the simplified installation and detailed guidance can help you DIY the installation with ease. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.